This is the Parkside engraver kit. We're not taking it out of the box because it's not a China review. Kind of is, kind of isn't. We're just going to see if it's going to earn its keep. Found this at Lidl, Lidl, whatever you want to call it. Saw it there, said, interesting. Might have to think about that. It was $10. And I said, nah, I don't need it. And I keep going through the store. I just walk up and down the aisles and get to the next aisle. And I said, I'm really going to hate myself if I don't get that. I don't need to engrave anything, but I might in the future. And for $10, should probably get it. I have an engraver. This is that engraver. I have had this for well over 20 years. I don't know where it came from. If I had to guess, maybe a dollar store. It takes 2 AA batteries. This thing is AC powered. And I have just put batteries in it. And it works. It has, you probably won't focus on it, a tip with sort of a flared end on it, right there. It spins. It sounds weak. This thing will open up. I've simply tested for functionality of this. In other words, I plugged it in and made sure that it did power on and was not new defective. Has the instruction book, and it comes with templates that have letters, and we're not going to bother with that. We're going to do all of this freehand. So we'll get that out of the way over there. And here is the unit. It comes with a rubber protector on the end of it. Much shorter tip. And it also actually comes with a replacement as well, and an Allen key thing and something, and I was under the impression this rotates. It doesn't. It actually pulses in and out, which is interesting. And we're going to play with this in a little bit. Let me get a scrap piece of wood, the old knackered piece of wood, for those of you who are playing the home game, and we'll test out that little battery-powered deal, see what that does. And I also have a scrap piece of metal. We'll try it on there and see. Obviously, this is going to win, but we'll just see if that little thing, because I never used that either, if this thing actually can do anything. For metal, probably not. Wood, maybe. So let's take a look. The old knackered piece of wood. I'll just try my initials, I guess. Let's see what happens here. Oh, that just sounds great. I have to clean that. I don't even know if the camera is showing you that. It's there. It's barely scratched into the wood right there. Yeah, okay. Let's get that little piece of metal too, which is right here. And this, I just want to see if it's even going to put a scratch on this thing. It sort of marked it a little. Yeah, I mean, it didn't engrave it, but it certainly marked it. Okay, so now let me get the little twist tie from the little item off, and we'll see if it has little performance. Har, har, har. This also, because it's from a German store, has a 3-year warranty because they don't believe in this 90-day Harbor Freight or 1 year for other stuff warranty bullshit that we have here in the States. This has a little thing you can hang it with on the cord right there, and it has a power switch and a dial that you can turn from minus to plus. It's loud. Here we go. Yeah, it just buzzes like that, obnoxiously. And when you turn the dial, okay, and you hold it like a pencil according to the instructions. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of go right over what I did before because it obviously is not there. I'll leave it at the lowest setting and let's see what happens. I don't know if the camera makes it out, but it clearly has engraved the wood without a doubt. The metal, I'll try again scratching over the piece that I did, and then I'll try my initials. Oh yeah, it does. Again, I don't know how the camera is making that out. It's hard to see in the screen, but there it is. Oh yeah, that works. Definitely worth the 10 bucks. Nice. I like that. If you like this video, make sure you click like. If you didn't, click dislike twice. Make sure you click subscribe. It's there. There it is. Make sure you click subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. This is JK18. And that's it. No need to even test the faster speed. Wow, that worked a treat. Awesome. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.